Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to review a product which is called as NFT collection maker. But before telling you anything about this product, let me make it very clear that I am going to earn some commissions if you purchase this product from the link which is in the description. Why so? Because I am referring you to the product creator, that is why he or she will incentivize me with certain commissions, okay, without you paying anything extra for the product. So with that note, let us start reviewing the product just called as NFT collection maker, how it works, how it's gonna make you money. We'll see everything in details, and I have combined a lot of bonuses from my side if you uh, buy this product from me in the description, which is in the description from the link that is in the YouTube description. So with that note, okay, so but before anything else, let me show you what are the bonuses that I'm going to give you if you buy this product. Okay, so this is the sales page, the bonus page of mine for NFT collection maker. As you can see, and this is the bonus number 1, this is the bonus number 2, and this is the bonus number 3. All of these are humongous bonuses in itself. All of these we will discuss everything in details, and so let's get started, and we will see everything about the bonuses, about the product, and a lot more stuff. Okay, so let's start. Hey guys, welcome. So as you can see, this product is called as NFT collection maker by Expandio, and it says unlimited trades, deep rarity settings, and not available anywhere else, multi-image trades. Okay, so this is kind of a product which is having very unique features. Okay, so before telling you anything, let me make it clear what is an NFT. NFT is non-fungible tokens. Okay, non-fungible means what is meant by fungible is which is replaceable, or which is uh, as you can say, which is common or usual kind of a stuff. But non-fungible means it is not usual, not identical. Means non-fungible says to be a unique product. Non-fungible tokens means when you make it a token, it means you are uh, encrypting it, you are making it through software, you are making it into a coding, and that unique coding will result to a unique thing which is not elsewhere available online. That will be completely your unique feature which you will hold. Okay, recently Justin Bieber, you may or may not have known, but Justin Bieber brought an NFT for, I guess, $470. Yes, it is $470,000. It is $470,000 of NFT he purchased, a single NFT. It is a kind of an ape which transforms itself into various, I guess, 10,000 different apes. It converts itself, and that NFT was purchased by Justin Bieber at $470,000. Okay, so if I'm not wrong, let me just check it out. Justin Bieber NFT price. Yes, it is $470,000. As you can see, purchase an NFT at $470. So this is the power of NFT. If you can create a unique NFT, then you will be very much profitable by that thing. And how it creates this particular NFT collection maker will show you how you can generate massive crypto NFT art collections automatically with TTC AI technology, and have them ready to sell with as little as little effort as possible. This is the video, and results are not typical. You may get worse, better, or no result at all. Not financial advice, info about NFT collection sales, just a report on what happened. So they are giving a disclaimer. Now, world's first NFT collection maker with TDC AI technology generates thousands of arts for collections, programmatically verified artwork uniqueness, cloud app, nothing to install, as it gets to use, and includes free software updates. So they will update the software, and you are getting this thing uh, at this one-time price, I guess. So we'll discuss. But before telling you and going any furthermore deeper into this NFT collection maker, let me show you what is the thing that you will gonna get if you buy this NFT collection maker from me, from the link in the description. Okay, so if you click the link in the description, you will land on this page. This is my bonus page which I created for NFT collection maker only, as you can see right here. So I have created this product for NFT collection maker only. I have briefed about this product as well a little bit. Then you are seeing the funnel. We will discuss about the funnel, and then you are gonna see the bonuses. So before showing you the bonuses, let me make something very clear, that there are a lot of ways of creating or making wealth online. You may have known that there are a lot of ways to generate wealth, but the easiest and the most profitable that is right now, or you can see that is right now trending and will trend for a decade or two, is affiliate marketing, because every business out there requires affiliates to sell or promote their products to their customers. So affiliate marketing is a thing that has worked before, that is working right now, and that will work out in the later stages as well. And affiliate marketing is a place where you will get to understand the behavior of your customers, or the business's customers will get to know about how to sell and a lot of stuff. This is the thing that will not required only when you are on that business, but it will, the knowledge you will gain through affiliate marketing will require and will apply to all the areas of businesses you can possibly think of. So the affiliate marketing is very much near and close to my heart. So I always encourage people to go and know and have knowledge about affiliate marketing, and that is why I create bonuses. The first bonus will always be affiliate marketing, because it is a very big industry and is very much profitable nowadays. So affiliate marketing is a thing that is right now I'm giving you as bonus, as you can see right here. Affiliate marketing, the bonus number 1 is 16 affiliate marketing courses. $1 million toolbox, 6-figure influx, $200 cash act, commission blueprint, $2,000 CPA, $300 CPA, pure profit paydays, commission toolbox, and a lot. Overnight commissions, instant traffic jacker. As you can see, it is 16 affiliate marketing courses that I'm going to give you for completely free if you wanna buy this NFT collection maker from the link in the description. Okay, this was the bonus number 1 which I'm going to give you. The bonus number 2 which I'm going to give you is again something which very you can say it is the backbone of affiliate marketing, which is customers, or the people who are going to buy the product. Because without customers you are not going to sell it to anyone, right? So the bonus number 2 will be completely based on how to get customers, how to get visitors to your products, to the businesses you are promoting their products. So customers or visitors is very much important online, and that problem I'm going to solve you as my bonus number 2. As you can see right here, the bonus number 2 is the Fuego breakout, the clones, Fuego multiplier, 0 hour work days, bang profits, incognito. There are 6 top traffic courses which I'm gonna give you completely for free. All you need to do is simply click in the description link and you will land on this page. From this page, if you check out through any of these buttons or any of these yellow buttons, it states click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. You will land on this the sales page of NFT collection maker. If you buy the NFT collection maker right now, it is stating get NFT collection maker now. If you buy this product, then all the bonuses will be transferred directly to your account. Okay, and my bonuses have not ended yet. There is another bonus number 3, and it is completely based on how to make money online. There are a lot of ways you will learn of how to making money online nowadays, and that I'm going to give you as my bonus number 3. Okay, see right here is 0 hour work days from $0 to $100 in 24 hours. The breakthrough, El Bandito, Profit Factory, Secret Weapon, Lost Code, Mobile, Easy Passive Paydays. All of these will be transferred directly to your account. All of these humongous courses, humongous bonus bundles will be completely yours if you buy this product, which is NFT collection maker, from the link in the description. Okay, You will land on this page. After that, what you need to do is simply click on any of these buttons and you will land on the sales page of an NFT collection maker. From there, check it out and all the bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay, but there is a catch, and that catch is this timer. This timer is from the time I'm recording this video, but when you are on this page, then you must see that this timer has not ended up yet, because after the timer is 0, I will not be responsible to get the bonuses to you. If you find the bonuses, it is completely your fortune. If you do not get the bonuses, it is completely your fault. But before the timer is 0, it is solely and completely my responsibility to get all the bonuses to you, to solve all your queries, everything you need, every help you need. Until this timer is 0, I am completely dedicated to solve any problem of yours regarding to the product or regarding to the bonuses. Okay, so now I have showed, I guess, everything about my bonus page, and now let us see about the product. So this is the NFT collection maker, and what people are saying about this product, as you can see, this is insane. Would have seen a ton of time and money on developing design cost. Okay, a lot of things. The steps you need to follow to create an NFT is step 1 is create categories, upload base images. We will tell you how to get those. Step 2 is generate the preview, and step 3 is export the collection. So very much simple. Automatically generate software verified unique artworks that you can sell as NFTs. So all of these kind of NFTs you will be creating through this NFT collection maker. So TTC AI technology does all the heavy lifting for you. What is crypto art NFT? You will learn about NFT as well. What is NFT minting? How to mint NFTs? What gives crypto art NFTs its value? So minting is a process in which, before landing on the OpenSea market or any other market, the price that you first purchase a particular NFT from other creator, that is called as minting. Okay, they will teach you how to mint the proper way. If you mint properly, then you can make 2 to 3 or even 4 or 5 times of your income as a profit. Okay, discover the crazy world of NFTs and how a non-artist get them. What is collectible NFT art business, and a lot of stuff are right here. As you can see how people are making. My curio cards, 8,771 Ethereum. It is Ethereum. Okay, this is not the volume of Ethereum they are making. 12,000, around 13,000 Ethereum. Okay, it is crazy. It is simply crazy. Sneaky Vampire Syndicate case study. There are a lot of case studies as well. There are a lot of things you can learn about NFTs. When you land on this page, you will see a lot of stuff right here. All you need to do right now is simply click the link in the description. You will land on my bonus page. From this page, click on any of the yellow buttons. You will land on this sales page. Okay, and here you can learn about NFTs. So NFT collection maker, as you can see, 1 NFT art collection or 5 NFT art collections. It is completely your choice. One-time price of $37 or $47. You can get 1 NFT art collection, or you can create 5 NFT art collections right here. Up to 7,000 art pieces. It is same up to 7,000. 1 full year access. It is also 1 full year access. Step-by-step training, friendly support, sell and generate NFTs. Okay, everything is same, but here you are getting 1 NFT art collection, and here you are getting 5 NFT art collection for a price of $10 extra. Just so it is your call what you need to do, and official 30 days money back guarantee you are having right here. If you do not found this product to be helpful, then you can simply get a refund out of it. Okay, now let us see the funnel of this NFT collection maker. what is a funnel? So an NFT collection maker has a funnel, means there are a lot of backend products as well which you will be offered one times only for life, and you will not see that offer again. They are upsells, means when you buy the front end product, which is the NFT collection maker, then you will be offered another back end product which will incentivize, means it will enhance the performance of the previous product or the front end product. Okay, let me show you. The front end product is NFT collection maker. We just saw it is of $37 or $47, and you are having a pro upgrade, okay, which will peanut API integration, upgrade up to 10,000 collection size, 30 plus collections, agency upgrade, license to sell NFT art collection, making services 5 team accounts, 250 plus collection upgrade, 20,000 collections. Then you are having a flex contract, means burn unsold NFTs and increase the maximum minting of collection. Then you will be offered motion NFT maker, and you'll be offered motion NFT maker pro, and you'll be offered motion NFT maker enterprise. Okay, all of these will be offered to you, and it is completely your call if you want to buy this product or not. Okay, so I guess it is clear, and let me again show you my bonuses which I'm going to give you. This is the bonus number 1. It cost around $700 in the real value price. All of these will be your 16 affiliate marketing courses, and $337 courses, which is 6 traffic courses, and $527 courses, which is 9 money making courses. Okay, all of these will be directly yours before this timer is zero. I guess you got it right, and I guess everything is now complete to tell, and there are a lot of frequently asked questions as well. You can see what they are stating. If you have any doubt, they have, I guess they will answer it. The Discord community as well as on Twitter, so they have a pretty much good support. So you can try the product. If you found this video to be helpful, then kindly comment in the section down below. And if you wanna ask anything, if you have any query, then also comment in the section down below. Okay, and regarding to my video right here, it ends up, and if you have any problem, I said just comment in the section down below, and I create videos of this sort every single day, every single week, because there are a lot of products which you do not know are launching. So kindly consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, press the bell icon, and I will meet you on the next video with another product. Till then, take care and bye.